Toxic behaviors women find really attractive in men. If you're too good and you don't have these toxic traits, it's difficult for a woman to find you attractive. Yes, a woman wants a man she knows that can give her roller coaster of emotions, that makes her emotions not to be stable. So these toxic traits, these toxic behaviors makes the emotions not to be stable. So if she knows she can read you from A to Z, she knows she has seen everything in you, that means that woman will hardly, no matter how good or kind you are, find you attractive, even if you are an attractive person. She wants to feel, because what you make her feel is what she sees as love and feelings for you. This is what makes her really attracted to you. Now, if you're a man that doesn't have these toxic traits, she finds you very easy to manipulate, very easy to control. And if she can manipulate and control you, she start disrespecting you. This is why you are good to her, but you notice she's very rude. She's very disrespectful. Why? It is because you're hoping that she will understand that, oh, you don't need those attitudes. You just want to make everything easy for her. She doesn't want you to make it easy. So if you have these traits, drop in the comment section, I have them. But if you don't have them, drop in the comment section, I have learned new things today. This is Bell Solution. Now, watch this video to the very end to be sure you have these traits, you have this behavior, or you don't have them. Number one, if you are too agreeable, it is a trait that a woman will see and feel, I can easily, this one is just walk all over. I'll just walk all over him. But if you refuse to be agreeable to everything a woman wants, it is a trait she admires, even though you will see it as, if I don't agree now, she will leave me, she will not love me again. It is a trait a woman loves. Is a trait she will want to see, that every man she's in her life, before she could commit to you, she want to be sure you will not accept everything she will do. Yes, because if you're agreeable, you will never have consequences. A woman loves you for having consequences, for making her understand you will never tolerate everything she brings, everything she gives, and everything she gives or does. If you does not align with you, she's going to face it, she's going to get punished for it. This is what a woman sees, and see you as a strong personality, as a strong man she can look up to, as a strong man she can bow to, and a strong man she can respect. So this trait is very, very important in a woman, to a woman. So before she will make her decision for you to be her leader, she must be able to detect. She feels okay. Before I can respect him, before he can lead me, I should be able to find out that he is not always accepting everything I do. It's not like you will not accept things she does or things she do. But you have a mind of your own. You're leading, you're taking the decisions. And a woman, there is one of my video I posted. I said, women like men, if they are with them, men who makes decision for them, because they are not good in decision making. So that is why if she must settle with you, and she will want you to lead her, she will want to follow you, and she will want to respect you. You should be able not to accept, because even her can't make right decisions. So, and if you allow her make decisions for you, that means she will always mislead you. She will be misleading. She acts with emotions. Most times she's acting with emotion. She doesn't think about them. She will just do them because at that time, that is what she feels. That is what she feels is better for her. So she needs a man that will call her to action and say, no, this is not good. Do it like this, do it like this. And before you are that kind of man, you must have a direction. If you do not have direction, that means you will be left with an option of following her, allowing her lead you even when she herself doesn't have a direction. So this is why if you don't have the traits of telling her, no, this is not okay. I am not okay with this. I am okay with this. No, don't do it like this. She finds it difficult being attractive to you. She will not see you as an attractive person. She starts seeing you as a man she can control, manipulate, and easily disrespect. That you are a quiet man, that you're a kind man, shouldn't make you a man that will always be agreeable to everything a woman says. Before she says anything, think it through. Before you accept anything from her, think it through. And why men always become this kind of men that are always agreeable? It is because of fear. You want to always keep her. You want her to always be there. Even if you have fear, once you have that fear, you will become an agreeable man. Even if you have fear, but that fear should not be in you. You can easily be a man that fears nothing. Tell her exactly, be respectful. Be calm when talking to her. Yes, it's not you shouting at her. That is not what I mean. But making and taking decision, taking steps on what you want. Let her know there is a consequences for not following. Let her know there is a consequences for asking her to do something she is refusing to do it. And those consequences have a lot to do with your attention and your presence. What you give and what you're refusing to give. That shows her in herself that you're really confident in yourself. This shows confidence for a woman. Once she sees that level of confidence you have, she starts being attractive. She becomes too loyal, faithful, and submissive to you. This is one trait a woman wants you to have. But most men will feel, there's no need. I just don't want her to get angry. Let her just get everything she wants. And it's fine. It's okay. It's not okay. She won't love you. And she won't respect you. Then number 2. Another trait is a woman always want to love a man that have a life of his own. You will feel, if I leave her, most men, I will hear them say, if I leave her, she's going to misbehave. Allow her misbehave and you kick her out. If she knows there is a consequences for an actions, she's going to learn to respect herself. If for some reason you feel, okay, I need to be following her around, checking her phone, doing everything, anywhere I'm going, let her just go. She wants to know that you can easily do things by yourself. You can easily be alone. You can easily have a life of your own outside of her. This is one trait and behavior that shows a woman you're whole. That shows her, I am not scared of anything. I am not scared of losing you because I was living before you came into my life. So why should my life pause because of you? Most times you see a woman finding it difficult respecting you. She has already known that without her, you will not live. Even if, but you're still living your best life. She's still seeing you as a man that if he wants to do something for himself, it takes his time. Sometimes you see her getting angry, getting moody. You say, oh, she's moody, let me just abandon. The moment you abandon it the first time, know it that every time she will be moody. Your life start revolving around her. So anything you want to do for yourself, You need to hang out with your family. Go and hang out. You need to go and play football. Go and play it. You need to go and watch match. Go and watch. Not wrong things. Because if you're doing the wrong thing, a woman will always capitalize on it to look at you less. You must always see, if you're leading, you will always lead with example. You don't do the wrong thing and say, oh, I'm having a life of my own. No. You must always do the right thing. And it's because you have good judgment. You always talk to her respectfully. You always do the right thing. Most of the things you feel you don't want from her, you don't do it. That is the best way to lead, and that is why she's going to follow you. So most of the times you say, oh, I want to hang out with my friends. She have issues with it. And those your friends are reasonable friends. You still go ahead, hang out with your friends. When you come, just tease her, hold her back. You have a problem. She will laugh. And she already know that no matter my mood, this man, if he wants to live his life, he doesn't care about my mood. He will still do his things. She will find you really attractive. She will find you really interesting. She start falling in love with that you, not that one that want to always be around her. No, that you, that your life, she start having it. She start falling in love with it. Then number 3, you give her space to live her own life. Yes, she wants to do anything now. You don't feel you're scared. You don't feel if she do it now, she won't. Let her do. See, the best way to even know that a woman will always stick to you is giving her free hand to do her things. Support it, but have consequences that if she goes astray, she get out of your life. This alone make a woman solidly behind you. This trait, you will feel, oh, if I give her that free hand, if I support her, she's going to leave, is because you give free hand without consequences and you allow things. That is why she feels, okay, if he gives me free hand, that means I can misbehave. You see her misbehaving. Once a woman senses fear in you, there is no way that woman will respect you. There is no way she will look up to you. Allow them, support them, but always have strong boundaries and strong consequences. If she wants you, she doesn't have option than to respect herself and to follow that boundaries. Then the 4th one, if you're dealing with a woman, make sure you also always find it, do not tolerate disrespect. Never tolerate it. Have that mind, that ability to walk away. Having the mind and the ability to walk away gives you a lot of power and make you really, really attractive. But if you refuse, you took the disrespect the first time, you kept on feeling, I can help her change, she will change. You kept on focusing on the good side of her rather than focusing on that disrespect she gave you and how to set consequences for that disrespect. You find it difficult walking away because you felt if I should walk away, another man is going to have her. It's better I stay to mold her. I stay to correct her. I stay to make her change. You will lose your essence in that relationship as a man. So which of these are you guilty of? If you find out your woman is not respecting you, go and check. You don't have any of this toxic behavior. I call them toxic behavior because good men feel these behaviors will push women away. But strong men know that these behaviors are what keeps women. It keeps them loyal, submissive, and faithful. They know this. So, but good men feels they are toxic. Oh no, if I should not accept everything she says, she's going to leave me. The more acceptable you are, the less attractive you are. And the more she feels the need to cheat on you with another man in that relationship. So if you don't want to be cheated on, disrespected, start having the mind of having these behaviors. It makes your woman always want to stay, stick to you, stick with you, and submit and be loyal to you. Women are moved by roller coaster of emotions. The way they feel, if they feel you made everything easy for them, they don't want you. But if they know you won't make everything easy for them, they need to work hard. They need to behave well before you're good to them, before you give them what they deserve. That is what they want. That is what they stick to, and that is what they are attracted to. So be a man that is not scared of losing them. Be a man that always wants them to be at the right track. You use your attitude to portray that, to pass that message. There is no woman in your life that will ever misbehave again. If you find this video very interesting, don't forget to share. Many men are still making this mistake, hoping that these women will be attracted to them. Money doesn't keep any woman. Your looks can attract her, but can never keep her. Know this and know this. This is Spell Solution. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, like, and drop your thought what to think about this video. And don't forget to share this video massively. Thank you.